Hi, my name is Callie Khan, and I have lived in Vermont for 18 years. I'd say growing up with Vermont has definitely shown me the different types of ways people interact with each other when we go different places, and I'm kind of glad we live in a very tight-knit community and know everyone. For me, growing up in Vermont has definitely let me express myself in my art and in my videos. I'd say, if anything, Vermont definitely changed me and taught me how to be more interactive with people and how to express myself better and love the little things in life.